In this video, I will show you how to round the numbers by a lot or bundle size in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a table containing item names, quantity needed for each item, and then the bundle size of the items they are sold in. For example, I need 3 quantities of item 1, but it is sold in bundles or lots of 2. Now I want to calculate the bundle or lot size I need to order so that I get the quantity I want. Since I cannot order individual items, I cannot order 3 quantities directly because they are sold in bundles of 2. So we need to round the needed quantity to a bundle size such that we have enough quantities. To calculate the bundle or lot size needed, I will use the Excel ceiling function. The ceiling function rounds up a number to the specified multiple. This function accepts 2 arguments, a number to round and the multiple to which to round the number. I will divide the quantity by the bundle size and then round up the result to the next integer to calculate bundles needed to order. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type ceiling followed by an opening bracket. I will divide cell C3 by D3 as the first argument of the ceiling function. Since we want to round up the result to the nearest integer, I will specify 1 as the second argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the number of bundles we need to order. For the first item, the quantity needed is 3 and bundle size is 2. When we divide 3 by 2, we got 1, which is then rounded up to 2. So we will have 3 quantities and 1 extra item. The same is the case with item 2. When we divide 11 by 5, we will get 2.2, which is then rounded up to 3. So we will need to order 3 bundles to get the 11 quantity and 4 extra item. For item 3, bundle size is 5 and quantity needed is 10. When we divide 10 by 5, we will get 2. Since it is already an integer, no rounding is done. So we need to order 2 bundles to get the 10 quantity and we will have 0 extra items. For item 4, the lot size is greater than the quantity needed. So we will have to order 1 bundle of 30 items and get 5 extra items. The same is the case with item 5. When we divide 1 by 10, we will get 0.1, which is then rounded to 1. So we need to order 1 bundle of 10 items and get 9 extra items. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.